Hey guys, it's Steve from No Boundaries Outdoors, and today I want to talk to you about an upgraded product that I've been using for the last 4 years, and that is the Scent Crusher closet. Now, a lot of you guys probably have this closet and you're like, well, it works, it does ozone, why would you upgrade to the latest and greatest Scent Crusher Halo Locker series? And I'm going to talk about it in the video here today. The last time we did a video was 4 years ago on this closet, putting it through its paces, telling you what we thought about it, and a lot's changed in those years, and this is an opportunity that I can kind of pay it forward. So I'm going to give this one to a buddy of mine, and I'm going to put in the new closet. And I want to thank Scent Crusher being a longtime sponsor here of No Boundaries Outdoors and a great partner. They provided us with a lot of Scent Crusher gear. So I do want to preface this that I did pay for the new closet. And Scent Crusher is on as a sponsor. We've got a ton of other gear that we're going to be reviewing here and looking at of the new Halo series. But this item in particular I purchased, and the reason being the warehouse was out, but a couple stores locally had it, so I wanted to get it. I wanted to upgrade my line and talk to you about why you should think about upgrading your line with the Scent Crusher products. So that's what we're going to take a look at here today. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's take a look. Hey guys, I hope you liked the video. I wanted to show you the main differences between this closet and the new locker, and maybe just the upgraded look to it, and the new removable Halo ozone generator was enough to sell you on it. Well, those are some of the things that you can look forward to. And in the next video, we're going to show you and talk to you a little bit about my personal thoughts on it, whether or not it's a great investment or it's not a great investment. So stay tuned for that. And again, we thank Scent Crusher for all their support and continued support here of No Boundaries Outdoors. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Go over to NoBoundariesOutdoors.com. Check out all the latest and greatest videos that we have uploaded. And I also have a sister channel, if you will. It's my main brand, The Tech Buzz. You can also watch the videos there. I have a whole category designated to the outdoors because I do more than just the outdoors. So make sure you guys go check it out for more great videos. And again, I appreciate everybody here watching.